In the previous video, we looked at the effect control panel and the inbuilt motion effects that are applied to every clip. We also looked at keyframing the effects to create movement within our videos. Up next, we're going to take a look at the effects folder in more detail. So, like I said, every clip has these motion effects kind of already built into them. Motion and opacity, you can go straight to the effects controls and you can apply them. To add further effects, we go to the effects tab down in the project panel, and now you can see we have video effects, audio effects, along with video transitions, presets and audio transitions. So we want to just click this little drop down arrow, and what I'm going to do is, let's have a look, let's go to a blur, and I'm going to click and I'm going to drag my effect, the Gaussian blur, onto my video. Now within our effect controls now, you can now see, let's turn that back on there, so make sure we have got our clip we want to work on highlighted. We can now see we have our inbuilt motion and opacity effects, but we also now have Gaussian blur. Now at the minute, blurriness 0, so I'm going to click on that and I'm going to put that up to 100. And you can see now we've created a blurry effect on our video. You can see around the edge we've got this black area. That's just how the blur works. That's blurred in the outer pixels and not created that blur all the way to the edge. So we can repeat the edge pixels just to bring that colour, make sure that colour stays constant throughout. I think that's a little bit too blurry, so I'm just going to click on that again. I'm going to try 50, and you can kind of see now we have an effect applied. Now this can be again toggled on or toggled off. So, or if we don't like it, we can highlight it and we can just press delete, get rid. So let's have a look what else we can do. As well as navigating through the folders, we can just go to the search box. I'm just going to pop in flip, and we're going to go for a horizontal flip and drag that onto there. And now you can see we've applied that effect and we've created a mirror image of our video. Again, this may be useful at times. And again, we can see that horizontal flip within our effect controls, and we can toggle that on and we can toggle that off. And one more time, we'll just delete that, and we're going to clear our search bar. Lots of other ones we can do. If we have a quick look at color correction and tint, we can use effects to kind of create a stylized effect here. Now what tint has done is just applied a black and white tint to it, so it is, you can see in our effect controls it's matte black to black and it's matte white to white, so this has created a grayscale effect. This isn't what we're using the tint for, this is just the starting point for this effect. But we can click on our little colour picker, and we can, let's make this a nice bright pink, and let's make this a nice bright blue. And if we bring that tint down, so let's make this a little bit, but now you can see. Let's play around with this a touch more to make that dark blue there. There we go, that's quite nice. So you can see how you can use a tint effect to create a real stylized video. So that's a little overview of some of the how we apply effects. So it may be something you want to experiment with or research, look at some other tutorials of other effects and how you can maybe create a film effect or vintage VHS effect. So there's loads of different things you can do within the effects tab. Just a little overview of how we use the effect controls to customize and tweak them settings within that effect itself.